Good morning. Welcome to Spring Piston Rifle Fever and Bible and Strength. We are focusing on the strength training side today. We're going to be talking about Anthony Ditillo and the development of physical strength. This was put out, I believe, in 1981. I could be very wrong, but that's what it says copyrighted on. We're going to be reading a little bit about single rep training and how to implement that into your workouts. I have done single rep training with great success. He says, so pick a particular movement. He doesn't say what, but I will say squats or deadlifts or bench presses. I would definitely say all three of those, maybe on separate days, or squats and bench presses and bent over rows. On another day, deadlift, military press, and weighted chin up, or chin up and dip. You pick. So pick that particular movement. He says to do 10 reps with 50% of your 1 rep limit. That's a warm up. Then go to 75% of your 1 rep limit and do between 3 to 5 reps. These are warm ups. Now jump to 90% of your maximum weight and perform 5 single rep attempts with this weight. So you're going to jump to your 90%. He says 90 to 95%. I say 90%. Start conservative. When you start a program too heavy, you run into a wall really quickly. And you don't want that. You want gaining momentum. So jump to 90% of your maximum. Perform 5 singles with that weight. So you do a single, wait a minute or two, do another single, wait a minute or two, do another single, wait a minute or two. I would say 2 minutes would probably be more safe to wait in between. Do each single as strictly as possible. And he says every week try to add a single repetition to your workout, 1 or 2. I would suggest just add one single rep to your workout, and do this for, he said, like 5 to 6 weeks. Do it until you build from 5 single reps to 10 single reps, and then he says to max out after that. And then he said after maxing out, then recalculate your 90% max and start over. He said at the end of his of training with your heavy weight, with your singles, he said drop back to 60 or 70%. I would suggest 70%. 60 is very light, and do 2 to 3 sets with all the repetitions you can handle. I'd say just dropping back and just doing 1 work set of high reps just to get a pump in. It's more than just getting a pump in. There's different muscle fibers, and I believe this high repetition training is important. So I would say 1 set. And then he said on the other day of the week, where is it at? Other training day, he says stick to around 60% of maximum, do 5 to 7 sets of whatever repetitions are possible. So he says 5 to 7 sets, which I think is overboard. I really do. I think that's way too much. You can do it if you want, and I would not say 60%. That's very, very light. I would say at least 70% of your max. Train with that. Train with something that's going to make you fail around in the 10 to 12 rep range. And at the maximum, do 2 work sets with that. He says 5 to 7, but some people are built differently than us average people. For the average people, that's just way too much. If you start conservatively and you don't push yourself into the ground, you can make great success with these higher volume workouts. So I just wanted to share that with you this morning. I wanted to share something on my channel for you. If you like what you see, give it a like. Subscribe. Definitely helps my channel, and I will keep on putting out more good quality strength training and air rifle and Bible related topics. Subscribe. You have a great day.